In this video, I'm going to continue where I left off. So previous video, we did binning. Now we're going to do bin visualization by group. So the previous video, I used this code. So I'm going to delete this code. I don't need it anymore. I'm going to use bin visualization and I'm going to use bar chart. So I'm going to comment on this one here, bin visualization in a bar chart. As we learned from previous video, we're going to use PyPlot to do histogram or charting. That figure, this time we have figure 2, PyPlot bar, group names. You're going to use the group names here, df horsepower bins, that value count, comma. We're going to use color here. I'm going to use color green. All right, so let me show you here step by step how the chart start to form. I'm gonna show you the chart. I'm gonna use the function show to show you the chart. Type pyplot show to show the chart. I'm gonna show you this line here. So when you hit Control B, there is this is how the chart looks like. Gonna move it here. So we have three bins, and then we give a name low, medium, and high, low, medium, and high, and we plot the chart. Now, let's take a look at the chart. There is no title, no X or Y label. We're going to add X and Y label, and also we're going to add the title. So the next line after this one, we're going to give a label, X label and Y label. py plot that X label. Going to use horsepower for X label, and we're going to give a color for this label. I'm going to use color red. Next, we're going to do Y label, py plot again, that Y label. And on the Y label, we're going to use count. And then we're going to color it, and then for the title, figure 2, histogram of horsepower bins group. And this is going to be the title for the histogram. And then we're going to give it a color as well. Color equal, we're going to use cyan. And that's it. Then we're going to show the histogram. Hit Control B. Here we go. This is the title in a cyan color. This is the count in blue. And this is the X label in a red color.